Hey, I'm Julia, the owner of Chariot Bike. I'm going to go over blown or broken housing, kinked housing, and just plain old cable tension. These are just diagnostic tools to figure out what's going on if you're shifting. If you want to learn how to fix them, just ask me and I'll let you know.
A lot of you already know what cable housing is or what it looks like, but if you don't, it's made of 3 different layers. And the first layer is the inner liner, and then a wire layer on top of that, and then plastic sleeve around it. A couple common blown housing issues. One is found under a ferrule, which is the plastic cover that goes over the end. And basically the metal is blown out and the plastic casing is pulled back, and that metal can go into the shifter and cause bad shifting and or just mess things up. The second one is when your outer casing is cut and then the metal starts to explode out and the wire kind of just bends and pokes through and causes kinks and the cable can't pass through the housing smoothly. When your housing is kinked, which looks like this, your cable that runs through the housing cannot move through smoothly, and that makes your shifting off. And most of the time you see it at the rear derailleur, or when you're traveling with a bike and you take your bars off or something like that. Anything might be able to just bend it and kink it, and that would cause the cable not to go through smoothly. Okay, and we have cable tension now. So correct cable tension is necessary for precise shifting. So if your cable tension is too tight, you'll have slow shifting into the small cogs. And then if your cable tension is too loose, then you'll have issues shifting into your larger cogs and it'll hesitate a little before shifting up, or it takes a little extra push on the shifter to get it up there. I hope this was helpful. There are many more issues out there to talk about, but thanks for hanging with me for this time.